Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your stock performance with Invesco, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your current stock portfolio. Evaluate the performance of your existing investments. Research Invesco and its range of investment products. Visit the Invesco website to explore their offerings. Consider their mutual funds, ETFs, and other investment solutions. Choose an investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals. Determine your risk tolerance before making any commitments. Open an account with Invesco if you don't already have one. Gather the necessary personal and financial information for the application. Submit your application and await account approval. Once your account is active, fund it with your desired investment amount. Review Invesco's available funds and resources to make informed decisions. Diversify your portfolio by selecting a mix of assets. Utilize Invesco's research tools to analyze potential investments. Monitor market trends and adjust your portfolio as needed. Consider setting up automatic investments to build your portfolio consistently. Stay informed about economic changes that may affect your investments. Regularly review your performance against your financial goals. Rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your desired asset allocation. Seek guidance from a financial advisor if needed. Stay educated on investment strategies by accessing Invesco's educational resources. Make adjustments to your strategy as your financial situation evolves. Be patient as you watch your investments grow over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.